Well, it is that day. Who's going to be the lucky ones to go? We've got to get our rabies shots today and get ready for that dreadful time of year where we have to pay for their licenses. You know, that's bull as far as I'm concerned, but unfortunately, gotta have their, they're in the system, so they all have to have their little licenses put on. So I guess we're taking Lil. We taking Lily. She's gonna get her rabies shot. And Pocket, all dressed up. Yep. Mama spent hours this week getting you guys ready. And Rosie. So it's gonna be Rosie today, Pocket today, and Lily today. Gonna go see a lot of other friends here. Well, I don't know how friendly they're gonna be, but anyway, gonna go see a lot of other dogs. Yes, TT, you're going next week. Everybody else is going next week, huh? Except for Daddy and Mama. Okay, well, we're gonna load you up. No, as far as I'm concerned, that's bullcrap. You know, it's just, I don't know where it came from, whose idea it was to make people have to pay to have an animal, to register your animal, you know, register your dogs. Cats you don't have to register, you know? And your dog is a domestic animal. It is a family member. But yet, the government decides that you have to license or pay to own your family member. Wouldn't that suck if as a mother and father you had to license your kids? You know, I don't get it. Anyway, so here we go. It is an ugly day. What? Gotta put them in there. You wanna put them in?
Okay, well, I'm short one.
Okay, this is a short one. Okay, we can't carry 3. Mama not going.
No.
Come on, Mama. Come on, everybody, get in here. We got to get the pretty one. Come on, everybody, get in here. Come on.
Hello.
Come on, TT. TT, come on. Hey, girl. Come on, Lil. Lily Bell. Come on, Lily. No, TT. Come on, Lily. Lil Bell, come on. Come on, baby. Lily. TT, no, baby. TT, in the house. Come on. That a girl. Come on, Lil. Lily Bell. Lily Bell, come on. Lil. Come on, girlie. Lily, come. Come on, Lily. Come on, Lily. Come on, Lil. Come on, Lily. Thing is, they don't go outside. You're going wrong for the ride. You don't need yours yet. And the rest of the babies are in there. What, Rosie? I know. Mama, what are you doing up there? Say we weren't going to take the rest of the kids without you, huh? Gotta have fit. Where they going? I want to go too. You hang on up there. Oh. What? Who's back there? Who's chickening?
It's Pocket.
Look at a bunch of chickens back there. I think it's just a nervous condition. Them riding.
Well, Pocky is especially nervous because Pocky doesn't like to ride. Every time she's rode in the past, she's gone to the vet.
Oh, yes.
And then she had to stay overnight, and
yeah,
that's why I wanted Charlene to go with me, because I didn't think you were going to. I thought you'd still be sleeping, and I didn't know how I was going to take Pocket.
But then again, they're all together, so there's 3 sisters are in there. So, fun. I
I just know that Tink and Lance and Willow don't like to ride. They get car sick.
Yeah.
So I'm taking them to Wayland.
Yeah, it's right here.
Yeah.
So. Is it better back there?
And Bear doesn't have to be done because he was done last
Right.
June.
Yeah,
So
well,
he's
he got
still
his-
good.
He got his
Neutered.
neutering. So it's only a 45-minute ride round trip, or one way, anyways.
No, it's not. It's not 45 minutes. To Cornell?
Yeah.
Nah. If you know how to drive, it's about a half an hour.
So,
If you don't know how to drive, get out.
close enough.
Because we have got to be there before 11 or they won't get shot.
Yep, nice. Wasted 2 gallons of gas. Cruise control on. Hi, Lou. You riding? Huh? What you doing, huh? Good girl. You like riding, huh? That would have been a good idea.
What?
Didn't think about it. Stroller.
I thought about it, but no.
Could put them in the stroller, and then they've been in the stroller. They're gonna give them shots while they were in the stroller. They wouldn't even have to come out. Forgot all about it.
Well, they'd have to come out and got in the stroller.
Huh?
They'd
Well,
have to
yeah,
come
but
out
I mean,
and got in the
they-
stroller.
being able to move them around without having to have one in her hand. All 3 of them could have been in the stroller. Didn't even think about it. That'll be a good idea when we go whaling. Well, we're going. Okay. I take the keys. She accidentally stuck. Well, no, it won't lock. That's right. As long as the keys are in it, the doors won't lock.
I
in
can
this
take this one, yeah.
Yeah, we'll go. Hi, Polly. Bully, bully. Where are you at? Who we taking, huh? Okay, we're going to one of our local fire departments. The SPCA drops by, and well, we're going to take both of them instead of one at a time. Okay, this is interesting. All right. Here we are. All right. Come on.
Where's the line?
Here's probably that back.
Way back.
Is there another? That's the exit, not the entrance. All right. Here we go. All right. Here we go. Where's the leash? Where's the leashes?
Never gonna get in.
Yes, they're not gonna. She'll make sure we get in. She'll make sure we get in.
I gotta have,
Their names?
well, neither one of you are gonna be able to get it. I need people's name.
Okay.
Okay, I'm Patricia Crosby.
Get that shaking. And get this shaking. Yes, this.
Crosby,
Little bit.
Crosby.
If you have a stroller for your dogs and you got multiple, this would be a good idea. Well,
991
it's not coming around.
8865.
Right. So it's going to be a little bit of a wait. Okay, well, we got in here. I went back out to get the crate because they're really two real nervous dogs. And even though they only weigh about 15 pounds apiece, they get heavy after a while. Hi, babies. They're good.
Talking to me?
No.
Okay, good.
So this is once a year maybe, and then every 3 years after you've done it the first time with each one of them. Most of them well behaved.
You're okay, Marie.
Hey, baby. Good girl, huh? You're handling it pretty well. Okay, I was outside getting the crate and somebody's dog took a crap and nobody's taking responsibility for it. Maybe I guess I will.
Yeah, so get out your $15.
Okay. Here you go, babies. You okay? You okay?
Yes. Same information.
First shot is for 1 year, and second shot is going to be for 3 years. When we bring them next year.
Okay, because you had your certificate, whether you get a 3-year one this time or that, no.
Mom, clean up after your pets. Now, babies. Now, babies. Yes, you're coming out in a minute. Yes, you are. You're coming out in a minute. Yes, yes, yes. That was really quick. That was quick.
Got everything right?
Okay.
Now we gotta go to this table.
Okay, we're going to this table. We're going to license.
You like no mouth?
I'm here. Hello, dear. Back in there.
Give them their
Rosie,
paper.
get in
They
there.
give you doing paper while you're getting.
Bang. I need a little bit of help.
Take her.
Lock that
You
down.
take her and I'll lock it.
All right. No,
Oh, we thought we
we
were.
intended to, but
We thought we were.
we wound up being stuck with the first and second litter.
We have never been stuck with anything in our life. We made a choice.
All right. There's one.
Okay, that's
Here's number 2.
Sally.
All right.
Rosie.
Lily Bell.
Lily Bell.
And Lily Bell. Yes, you. Yes, you, Lily Bell. Yes, she says,
Thank
what
you
the
ever
heck
so much.
you doing to
Okay,
me?
now, honey, where's the donation
I'm
jar?
getting in my pocket.
right there.
Okay.
All right.
Where's the donation jar?
Okay, 15. Well, thank you for your time.
There we go.
It says on who belongs to who, right?
Yes, the number will
By,
be right up
by
there.
the number.
Beautiful.
Okay.
Thank you.
So we're good for a year. How long?
We're good.
Are these their first ones?
No, these are them.
Because it should
My
say on
dogs
there.
are
What
done.
are?
They're good for a year.
Those are
Okay, so they must be
My
their
dogs
first
are
shots.
done,
All
yeah.
right. 'Cause
License-
this one's a 3-year.
license. Licenses are good for. Does the license go along with the vaccination, or?
You
Yeah.
got it. No, you take this in and show them when you get your dog licensed,
Okay.
and that way it's cheaper when they're
Honey,
when
I
they're
got
licensed.
control.
Okay. Well, I want it for my viewers,
Well, okay.
so I want that information. All right. Huh? Yeah. I got the hose. Boom. All right. I'm gonna lift you guys up here in a minute. Carry you. So let's see. You okay? Yep. Just want to get this clear. The licenses are good for a year, right?
The licenses are good for a year. The rabies shot is good for 1 year if it's first shot, 3 years if it's more than a first shot.
Okay. So we got to register them every year. License them every
They
year.
get rabies shots next year. Next year they will be a 3-year shot. This
Okay.
year it's a 1-year shot.
Okay.
License every year.
Hi, babies. We are out of here. And I know you're glad. All right. Good to go. 45 minutes later. Somebody take care of the responsibility of their dog poop. But anyway, I volunteered to clean up the pile in the truck bay. All right,
Anyway.
thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. Yeah, if you got a dog stroller, that would definitely be the way to go in this environment. So you don't have to carry the animal. The animal is going to be less stressed, and The babies are definitely stressed right now. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, please share, and we'll catch you on the next Puppy Love. 9 is enough. +1.